Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default language in Microsoft Word. First, open any Word document. Then, click on the File tab located in the top left corner of your screen. From the File menu, select Options at the very bottom. This will open the Word Options dialog box, where you'll find various settings to customize your experience. Next, click on the Language tab on the left-hand side. This is where we'll manage all language-related preferences. Once in the language options, you'll see two main sections. The first is Choose Display Language. Here, you can select the language for Word's interface, including menus, buttons, and help content. If your desired language isn't listed, you might need to install a language pack. After selecting, ensure your preferred language is at the top of the list. Remember to restart Microsoft Word completely for these display changes to be applied effectively. The second section is Choose Authoring Languages and Proofing. This is crucial for your writing experience. Select the language you want to use for typing, spell checking, and grammar correction. If your language isn't available, you can add it. After selecting, click Set as Default to ensure all new documents use this language for proofing. This ensures your writing tools are always aligned with your chosen language. After making all your selections for both display and authoring languages, click the OK button at the bottom right of the Word Options dialog box. It's important to close and then reopen Microsoft Word entirely for all the changes to take full effect. This ensures that both the interface and your proofing tools are updated. If you ever need to switch languages again, simply repeat these steps. Enjoy your customized Word experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.